Good morning, world. In relationship, we always talk about the importance of honesty. We always talk about the importance of communication, but we also know that sometimes people do keep secrets. People can always come up with a gazillion reasons why they keep or they have or they should or want to keep certain things a secret. And that is why today we're talking about 5 ways that secrets impact your relationship. First is that it places a wedge between you and your partner, or a wedge in your relationship, because there is that gap, there's that disconnect between you and your partner where you keep that secret, though, and it involves all the many different things that you are going to have to do in order to keep that secret. It creates a break, it creates a gap between you and your partner. It sticks a wedge in there. 2. It signals a lack of trust or confidence in your partner. More often than not, people will have very noble reasons why they keep secrets. Well, I need to keep this from my spouse because it will hurt them. I need to keep this from my spouse because it is better for them. But when you are doing that, you're saying, hey, I don't believe my spouse is, or my boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is you're calling yourself, is strong enough, is capable of handling this information. I don't trust them to be able to handle this information, and therefore I need to keep it a secret. But you're saying, it signals a lack of trust, a lack of confidence in both your partner as well as your relationship, because you're saying, hey, my relationship can't handle this. 3, it adds pressure and tension because in an effort to keep your secret, there are a lot of things that you may do, that you may need to do, that could add tension. You may have to deceive, because a lot of times in order to keep secrets, you have to add more deception and more things that you need to do to keep that secret. So it adds pressure to keep the secret, as well as tension from all the things that you have to do in order to keep the secret. 4, it creates a weak link, and that's probably one of the worst things that you do, because I always say there's no such thing as a secret between 2 people, because once there's one person knows that secret, there's always the potential that one of the 2 parties will reveal that secret. So you're creating that weak link where someone else who is aware of the secret that you're keeping can at any given time, when it benefits them or just when they feel like it, choose to reveal that secret and create tension or create damage in your relationship by revealing the secret. So you're creating a weak link, because at any given time the secret can be revealed and damage your relationship. 4, it exposes your partner to hurt, because when you are keeping that information from them, you're allowing that someone else could use that information to hurt them at any given moment. Or maybe not intentionally, but somehow they could find out that you have been keeping the secret for however long, and that can cause them pain. So whenever you're keeping a secret, you're creating that opportunity that something could happen that will hurt your partner. And sometimes it could be in the most public and most embarrassing and very ways that you would not have done it. Quick recap. 1, it places a wedge in your relationship between you and your partner, or in your relationship. 3, it signals a lack of trust and confidence in both your partner as well as your relationship. 3, it adds pressure and tension in the relationship as you attempt to maintain that secret. And 4, it creates a weak link, a spot where anyone at any given moment can decide to hurt your relationship by revealing that secret. And finally, it exposes your partner to potential hurt, because at any given time, the secret could be revealed, or they could find out the secret, and that could hurt them a lot worse than if you shared the information to begin with. And as always, if you're dealing with something that is more than you can handle, there's a lot of help out there. So please do reach out and get that help. And that is all we have for today. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.